How to fix TikTok message not sent problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your Play Store first and at the top search bar type in TikTok. In case you see update sign, tap on update and update your app. Now let's head over to our settings application and scroll below to app. Here search for TikTok. Go on to storage and clear the cache. Now go back and let's open up our TikTok application. Get logged into your TikTok account and tap onto inbox from your bottom right. Now as you do so, let's head over to any of your friends, and even after doing all that, you could not send a message. That means this person has blocked your profile from sending messages. And just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon in our next upload.